In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story music problem easily and fast. So if you have any problem with the music on the story or the reels, this video is going to help you. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode. Go back, click on the apps manager, go to the apps on your phone, go to Instagram, click here on this option, and then go down to the storage, click on it, click on this option and this option too. After you click on those options, go back and click on the power usage details and click down here on this option for stop again. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and disable the airplane mode, and that's it. Congratulations, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.